Let me see. It looks like it's a queen skeleton dancing.
Yep, you got dancing and you have dapping.
Ah, as a cool party. Okay, definitely tapping. So the purpose of it putting a top coat on, you definitely, so no tacky layer, and then yours, it's a pre-adhesive stickers will definitely adhere perfectly without having any trouble, is without the edges coming off. So then you can having so much fun wearing a sticker. It looks really closer. It's fun. Really details. I don't know if I can like paint it like this, but hey, this cutie stickers can definitely do the work for us.
And that's it. You can just put some twist on and you're ready.
Some chain though. No?
You in between the two.
They lock with the chains and they still dap and dance. That's so cool. It's happy skeleton. All right, so I'm gonna cut the rest on the edges off right here. Maybe put a little bit of crystal on. Oh my god, I want to put everything on it. Look at that. Screamy face. Maybe screamy face hidden in there. No?
Nah.
Why not?
Much.
Look, what happened? Why is had the bird in here? What's going on with the bird into the skeletons dancing?
You have regular bird and you have a crow up there too. You have a black bird. Then you have cat, you got spiders, you got dragon.
This one's cool. I'm gonna use this one.
Whatever else you want.
It look like a dry blood.
Oh, you know what? You can put like the rose eye.
Rose?
Yep. Like the rose eye.
Look, it look like a dry blood. It's so freaking stunning. Okay, which one is that? What are you talking about?
Up top.
Look.
Rose eye.
It is?
Yep.
So where do we put it now?
Well, you have the dapping. So, you know what? That looked plenty nice.
Okay, that's it.
Yep, just some crystal on top. You can pick it up.
Oh, this one, I want one more. No. Look, this is the claws or whatever it is. No, too much. You know what? It doesn't matter. It's crystal or sticker. I want everything in there. Okay, let's do the condensed glue gel because we're probably gonna do just a couple of crystals. That's all. I say couple. I got that in my this month's subscription box. So you might get some really cool, stunning. Is Halloween. What do I do with this one?
I think it had that lost some gems just before that.
Oh, gotcha. All right, so I am going to coat the condensed glue gels onto the nails. I'm gonna add just a little bit, some crystal here and there to make it fun for this nails. It's Halloween. You don't have to be as crazy as like scary. It's gonna be fun and cute. I don't know how good cute is, but I think it looks cool. Top coat. Floating right on the top of unclear condensed glue gel. Don't pull the condensed glue gel off, just floating right on the top. And I'm going to just add some of, you know what? I like that one a lot as well. This one. I'm gonna add this two green, the gloves crystal. That is so stunning. It's really cool though. It's match perfect. It's like a fall and Halloween finish. And incorporate with the pumpkin spice. I'm so excited for all of you to get your box in your hand. You will never go wrong with this. What do you need? Oh, sorry. You will never go wrong with pumpkin spice. I love this. I don't know what is with this colors, but it's so fall. And I know it's so sparkle. Can't have enough of it. But you can do a black obsidians crystal if you have it. You can do red. Red looks good though. I mean crimson and obsidians. That's 2 colors we're gonna get next. We're gonna do next for next tutorials. Okay.
So Ellie, if you want to subscribe to the box, just go to glitzaccessoryandsuch.com and right on the navigation bar, there's a section that says sub box. Get there.
Yep, I love it. You get so much in the box for such a great value. It's not only that, it just gives you so many of ideas, and I am here with you to do a lot of tutorial with you with the sub box as well. All right, happy with this. It's really cute nails, and this is the least crystal on the nails for me, I think. But I don't want to take away from a dapping skeleton. All right, happy with this. We're going to Kia for